YouTube, what is going on? Damn, dude, I've been MIA for a minute. But as you can see, man, opening this video with the daily SRT. It's been a while, honestly, just because the weather, man. I cannot explain this weather that we've been having in the DMV. And look, guys, the twin turbo Jeep has literally been sitting for like, I'd probably say almost 2 months, probably like a month and a half. And if I didn't update y'all with the last video, I sold the ET Street S's and we just got the ETRs, brand new. I literally just mounted them. I didn't show y'all the process of mounting them, but because I was just like too thirsty to drive this car. I haven't drove this like in like almost 2 months, guys. It's literally just been sitting. It's super dirty right now. I was literally just thinking, I'm like, you know what? Let me pick up the camera. Let me update y'all because I'm sure y'all miss this Jeep as much as I do. So, but yeah, it's finally back, guys. It's finally back. Now we mounted the tires. I'm gonna drop the lift and then we're gonna give it a wash because the weather has been nice now. So it's almost like 70 degrees outside. So I even got the power washer out here. So you already know it's time to wash this Jeep because it's time to bring this back outside. So also, I got a new diffuser too. I didn't really tell y'all, but I got a new diffuser. It's downstairs. Actually, kind of want to go show y'all. I'm gonna show y'all real quick, but it's downstairs and it looks super sick actually. So let me show y'all. Check it out what I'm doing right now. Sheesh. So this is the new diffuser. It's like an OEM like diffuser, Trackhawk diffuser, because I have quad tips. And then it also has the SRT tow hitch cover. So it's actually pretty neat. And it's already painted and glossed back. Right now, I actually ceramic coated it just right now. I had some leftover ceramic from CarPro. I just wanted to do a quick layover just for it to kind of see the deal. Make it look nice and slick, you know. So I'm actually really excited to put this new diffuser. So it's pretty clean. We'll see how the fitment goes, but I'll definitely show y'all how to install that. So the battery is dead. That's how you know how long this car has been sitting. Because look, where's the key at? Oh, yep. Don't even click, nothing. So I literally just opened the door and then the dash lights came up too. So I'm about to charge up the battery, see what's going on, and then I'm gonna update y'all. Alright guys, while the battery is charging, because I just checked on this, it's actually dead. So it's crazy, man. I didn't ever actually really expect for it to die, but it is what it is. Alright, so I got the battery charged up a bit. So now I should be able to give y'all a nice cold start. What y'all think, guys? We outside, baby! Sheesh! Hey, yo, I can't front. Almost 2 months. Almost 2 months. This car is alive. You! Sheesh! Bro, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Insane, guys. A true beast. A true beast. We got this one over here. I don't even think I want to wash it anymore just because like it's getting late. Bro, I just want to drive the car. I literally haven't drove the car in like almost 2 months, guys. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I missed that sound. Holy shit! Woo! This thing is back outside. We back outside. All right, y'all. Had to fast forward the next day because I actually ran out of time and I had to do some errands. So, but we're back. So, what I originally wanted to do before that last clip was actually I needed to wash the car. So, it's actually, what time is it? It is 8:51 in the morning. So, yeah, we're actually gonna get started and wash this car because this car has so much dirt, a little bit of salt on it from the roads when it was snowing, and this is definitely a much need wash this off. So yeah, the wheels are dirty, everything's just super dirty. So, and the weather has been really nice, so we need to wash this car. Look at this, look at that, see that? Dirty. Just like that, we are done. Sheesh. Man, honestly, this really needed a good cleaning. So, hasn't been washed in like months. So, got the new meaty setup. This thing looks set up. So, I've been waiting forever on these tires, but we finally got a good setup now. So, I feel like it's time to take it for a spin. You know what I'm saying? First drive in the new setup. What y'all think? Man, this looks so good with the welds. Honestly, I don't think I'll ever get rid of the welds. The welds are just too nice, especially with this setup and drag pack. Fire, man. You already know what time it is. I think it's time to go for a drive. Let me give you a nice start since it's been a minute. Does it feel good to be back in this car? Sheesh. I honestly forgot how this car sounds and drives. It's just, this thing is loud. The turbos sound amazing. The exhaust is just super loud. And I'm not even like in track mode, I'm just in like regular. I mean, of course I gotta let the car kind of warm up, but damn dude, this shit sounds fire, man. Oh my gosh. Sometimes I just forget how good this car sounds when I step away from it. Oh my gosh! Holy! Woo! Yo! Guys, this is insane! I fell in love with this car again, holy crap. Not that I didn't fall out of love at it, but I just love it even 100 times harder now, holy. And this isn't even what's to come, guys. This is not even what's to come. Next video, I have something cooking up for you guys. I'm working with someone. Next video, this Jeep is gonna be faster. And I'm super excited for you guys to see and show you guys, because this is actually an informative one too. So it's faster, guys. So it's going to be faster. So, oh my gosh, I'm amazed. I'm blown away. God, the burbles. Sheesh. Oh my gosh! Woo! Oh my gosh, that's insane. Alright, yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here just because I'm gonna run in the grocery store real quick. So if you guys enjoyed the video, make sure I give it a thumbs up, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, and stay tuned for this next video, man. It's gonna be super crazy. I'm excited to show y'all. This Jeep is gonna get stupid faster, and we're gonna be able to show some draggy time. 61 thing. Oh yeah, it's ready to go. Got new tires, everything. It's ready. So, all right, guys, it's a wrap. Hope to see y'all in the next video. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.